Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Fred here. Let me show you something that I came across the other day when I was over by the wet bay. Let's take a look. General RV, that was a pretty shady install. Could have been a little better on that. Let's take a look. So out here in the wet bay, I opened up the door and this was sitting like this. And I looked and the mounting bracket had broke. I'm going to call their name out, General RV, who we bought this off of, and also installed the EMS at the time of purchase. Only used one mounting screw for this EMS unit. This thing is not light. There's another mounting hole here, one on each side, and they failed to mount the second one at the top. And you can see the screw right here. So what I'm going to do is, I know most people mount these on the floor inside the RV, so many people may not have this issue, but if you may want to keep an eye on it, check your mounting if it's mounted on the sides. What I'm going to do is, I see what they did. They were just too lazy to go in here and get behind that cable to get to the mount. Well, I've got this here. I can get in here with that, and I should be able to, maybe not, I should be able to get to that screw hole. But I would think they'd be able to get to it with something. This is just what I have in my toolbox. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to drill a new hole here, take this screw over to this hole, and maybe if I even drill a second hole here where I can get to it, at least I'll have two screws on there to secure it. Anyway, just something to keep, there's always something that goes wrong in these things. And this was just an installation that could have been a little bit better. So we're going to make it better. One thing I did add was this J-hook, because I like to kind of take some of that stress off of that. And that J-hook will put some of that cable weight, take it off of the box. So that was just a little addition I did. Thought that was a good idea. Anyway, thanks for watching. Just something to keep an eye out for.